Well, hi everybody, Ray Wood here for Jiggler, and a special welcome to the PLG Estates team. I hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to jump into this meeting today. I would love to have been there personally, but I can't. Just wanted to jump into the meeting and say welcome. And your first question is probably, what the heck is Jiggler? Jiggler is an online marketing suite, a marketing platform. If you're familiar with Canva, we are the Canva for real estate. So this is your opportunity to jump in and try it out. I think today is our launch, and Peter and Mikkel have asked me to shoot this quick video to give you a little bit more information about how it works. So in a sec, I'm going to give you a rundown, just a little bit of a demo as to how it works and how you can customize your own flyers, social media posts, just listeds, just solds, and choose from a huge range of preset templates as well that you can quickly edit. So that's pretty exciting, I think. So I'm a founder at the company. I'm also your personal support person. I'm here to help. So anything that you need, I'm your guy. My email address is ray@jiggler, jigglar.com. So make a note of that. I'm going to show you now how you can jump in and set up your account. Then Mikkel's going to add you to the team account, and then you're going to be off to the races. But I'm here to help. Anything you need, I'm your guy. Okay, let me show you around. Okay, well, here we are in the Jiggler dashboard. I'm going to give you a quick look around, a lightning quick tour. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my phone number. I'm going to give you my email address. If you have any questions, I'm here to help you. I'm a co-founder at the company, but I am the PLG designated support guy. I'm in Toronto, Canada, so I'm only 3 hours ahead, not too different time-wise. So I'm your guy. I'm here to help you make this successful. Any questions or whatever, if I can help in any way, please reach out and let me know. So I'm going to come back to, I'm going to revisit this in a sec, but this has got all of your template options that you can jump into and create different templates just listed. As you can see, lots of social media, get listings, blanks. If you want to create something from blank, you got the opportunity from scratch. You got the opportunity to do that as well. My Jiggles is where you're going to be keeping the designs that you create yourself and that you customize yourself, and your team templates are right here. So if you wanted to open up and have a look at a specific team template, then here's one here. This is the traditional, I think Mikkel called this the older style, but I think you guys still use it. So I'll just give you a quick example. If I want to switch out the rep here, I simply click on that person. Did I do that too fast? Click, delete. That was just by clicking the delete button on my Mac or on your PC if you use a PC. Image tool, I open that up. Now, you can only upload images to a Jiggler template if you've already uploaded it to the PLG Jiggler library. So that's critical. So at this point, let's take a look. Here's an image that I've uploaded already, and I'm going to grab that one there, and I'm going to put her into the spot. It's a little big, 4 bedrooms. I like to have the rep or the person facing into the action, so I'm going to use this flip tool here, which simply reflects her and turns it around. So that's how that one works. You've also got a couple of options here. I love this flyer. It's very Hollywood. I think, I don't know, I'm calling it the funky flyer. It looks really, really funky. I think it's awesome. So same thing here. Let's just, if I wanted to change the person's name, say, for example, Smith, you can quickly change around. Everything that needs to be changed can be changed and added. You see, if you try to click on the logo here, it's locked. So admin has that locked, but you don't need to change that anyway because this is the template that we're working for. Obviously, you'll be looking to switch out the main photo here as you get a new listing or a new property in a new area. So all you need to do is simply click on that once. You click delete, and that leaves that highlighted, and use this tool, place image into shape. Bang, you grab that, and let's find an image. Perfect. There it is, and it's good to go. So I'm going to save that. So I can go back into my Jiggles at this point. Save. Yep, it's asking me to save it. Okay, cool. That saved it. Let me show you quickly how there it is there. I can grab it, and in this case, if I'm going to download it, I click save and I go to the download jiggle tool. In this case, if it's going to be social media, I simply click JPEG, and that'll come up as a zip file. Let me make a little bit more room on my desktop here. Not that I've got a messy desktop, of course. And I'm just going to grab that, throw that onto my desktop. Test 7 jiggle. Yes, I want to keep both. Bang. Where's my Facebook page? And uploading that is as simple as going like that. And you're all set. There we go. Put in some copy up the top, and you can post away to your heart's content. So it's basically that straightforward. Let's take a look back here in the main dashboard, and I won't go through all of these. Please feel free to take a look at your leisure. But for example, if I click Get Listings, you've got a whole range of different listing ideas here, and you might be familiar with Canva. We go quite a bit deeper than Canva. We go well in behind the science of what makes prospecting work, client communication, client care, and like lead generation, etc. We're big fans of creating your own leads and making sure that that you can do that, and that you're building your own database of contacts. So you'll see that we've got a lot of cool ideas going on in here. So feel free to check all of that out. And as I say, let me know if you have any questions. So getting yourself organized and getting involved in the team is really easy. The first thing you need to do is go to jiggler.com. Like that. Yes, I want to leave. And click the Get Started for Free right here. And sign up with your information. Set your password. Click Next. That will take you through the process. So once you have done that, send Mikel an email, and her email address, as you probably know, is Mikel, M-I-K-E-L, at plgestates.com. Send Mikel an email, and then she will send you a link that will invite you. You've got to click on it, obviously, but that will invite you into the PLG Jiggler team account. And then a lot of this marketing is already there and waiting for you to quickly customize. So that's the scoop. If you've got any questions at all, my phone number is 647-502-6612. Like I said, I'm in Toronto, so if I don't get back to you straight away, I'm not far away. Feel free to text or call. And my email is ray@jiggler.com. Any questions? Let me know. Really looking forward to being part of your success and working with the PLG team. Cheers and take care, everybody.